What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before I get into the video, I just want to say thanks, guys, for breaking some records, I guess, on a couple of my videos. We are now at a little over 1,000 views on our first shooting video, approaching 2,000 on my North Dakota trip. You guys are awesome. So I didn't do an intro on this one. We were out in Utah and it got super windy, so the audio is going to be a little messed up. So we didn't do an intro. What I was doing out in Utah, I was touring the Creed ammunition factory, and those are the guys that have been distributing my armor. Yes, this is my armor that I'm testing. No, it is not a sponsored or paid promotion video. It's just me going out and shooting the armor that I have created and that Creed and myself are selling. So right now, I'm gonna show you the plate. This is, we're calling it a level 3A steel, Minuteman plate. So Minuteman Armor is my company, and I partnered with Creed to do the Creed brand plates. So I'm not going to bore you guys with a bunch of these details. All I know is check the link in the description. I'll have both websites if you guys want to buy these. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll try to get back to you guys as much as possible. I really appreciate it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the plates. There's AJ from Creed. Plates, plate, gun. All right, 22. All right, guys, so that was 22. And as we could see, just knocked off the coating. Didn't dent it, nothing on the back. She's good, she's golden. So right there, guys, that is a level 3A plate made by Minuteman Armor, sold by Creed. So we're out in Utah testing it. There's everybody else.
No dent.
No dent. Tired.
9mm.
All right. I'm not gonna walk down there.
Dead center.
It's a dead center shot. We got a second camera over there. I'm not walking.
.45
ACP out of a 1911. All right, guys, so that was the 45 ACP. We'll go check the damage. It is super windy out here today, guys. First day in Utah, full day actually. So nothing on the back. Here's the 9mm. That looks like the 45. We're doing pretty good, guys. Like I said, Creed is owned by AJ, and they are selling these plates level 3A, front and back. Right now we are shooting advanced shooter cut from Minuteman Armor. 223.
Armor piercing 223.
Armor piercing 223. All right, guys, as you can see, the coating is coming off, but very little dent right here. Here's the armor piercing, and here's the regular FMJ 223. Barely a little dent. No bulging on the back, guys. So Minuteman Armor successfully defeated 223 and armor piercing 223. So let's see what's next.
30-30.
You want to put another one in it?
Yeah.
And let's go ahead and put a slug in it for good measure. I don't think it's gonna do much.
Let me get rid of these.
All right. What was that, 4?
4.
4.
Law enforcement round.
Law enforcement slug. All right, guys, so we're back. We didn't do the outro at the range. I'm still here with Brittany. I saw you wave. AJ from Creed. And we got our plates. So I didn't show you guys this one. We kind of did a torture test on this. Obviously, you could see one made it through. But we could also see that we hit in the same area roughly 6 times using armor piercing 223. We do have some slight bulging. Most of the coating was able to catch the spall fragments, but as you can see, we just shot this one a ton more than we did this one. We did just the showing of what it's capable of stopping, and it stopped up to a 30-30. So we are going to say it's level 3A. Again, guys, these are available on their website, bitethebullet.co. They're made by Minuteman, and they are available whenever. So thanks, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed this long overdue shooting video. Welcome to Utah. So hopefully there will be more shooting videos out here if she allows me to. So, alrighty, guys, I'll see you in the next.